Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're expecting a tax refund this year but want to get a head start on next year's taxes, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the exact steps to apply your 2024 tax refund toward your 2025 taxes using TurboTax Form 1040. This method can help reduce next year's tax bill or even prevent underpayment penalties, so stick around to learn how to do it right the first time. First, open your browser and head over to the official TurboTax website. Sign in with your existing TurboTax account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one and make sure you're in the correct tax year. For this process, you'll want to be in the 2024 taxes section, since that's the return you're currently filing. Once you're on your 2024 tax dashboard, click on Federal Taxes. This is where you can review and adjust your federal return details. Now, scroll until you find the Other Tax Situations tab. This area handles the less common but very important tax scenarios, like applying a refund to next year. Click on Other Tax Situations to open it. Within that section, choose Add More Uncommon Situations. TurboTax keeps this slightly hidden because not everyone uses it, but this is where you'll find the option you need. Next, look for additional tax payments. Click it to access the features that let you manage extra payments or credits. Here's the critical step. Select Apply Refund to next year. This tells TurboTax you want your current year's refund to be carried forward to your 2025 taxes instead of receiving it as a direct deposit or check. When you click Start, TurboTax will prompt you to confirm how much of your refund you'd like to apply. You can choose the entire amount or just a portion, whatever fits your tax strategy. Carefully review the numbers to ensure they're accurate. Finally, follow any on-screen prompts to confirm your choice and complete the process. Double-check all details before submitting your return to avoid delays or errors. And that's it. By applying your 2024 tax refund to your 2025 taxes in TurboTax Form 1040, you're setting yourself up for a smoother filing season next year and potentially lowering what you'll owe. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical tax tips, and share it with anyone who's getting ready for tax season. Thanks for watching and good luck with your filing.